Hello everyone, hello again. How are things going? It's a pleasure. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Nellys Marin, a student of Bachelor Degree in English at the Caribbean University Corporation SECAR. And today I'll tell you about a very interesting topic, the information and communication technologies, but from a more educational perspective, for which I made a comparison between two videos. One video is a vision of a student today, and the other is April Fool's video prank in math class. Have you watched these videos? But before I want to know something. Do you know what are ICT? Yes, no, I suppose yes. ICT are new information and communication technologies. New technologies applied to education improve the teaching and learning process. They should be used as a resource to support subjects and also for the achievement and progress of competences. I think ICT are favorable in many ways because they offer a very pluralistic content and knowledge that adjusts to the demands, needs, and interests of the students. That's why including ICT in the daily life of the classroom makes this environment coexist with students. The first video is a vision of students today. According to the video, the main idea is that teachers must update their teaching to incorporate technology. Because unfortunately, in many places, it's still taught in the traditional way, and the consequence is that students feel demotivated. The video supports the idea that our students are 21st century learners or digital natives. Because of this, they are wired differently than the students of the past, and the traditional teaching methods are no longer effective. So, we as teachers must constantly update ourselves, looking for strategies like videos, applications such as TikTok, Tango, WhatsApp, Facebook, among others. This video shows how a cultural anthropologist and 200 of his students created a way to tell the world what students thought about their education. I think that this video more than a criticism of the educational system can be considered as a warning for educational institutions to take advantage of technologies, eh, social networks, and all the resources that the web makes available. The second video is April Fool's video prank in math class. According to the video, teachers need support on how to use device and how to change traditional classes into more interesting classes. For example, the teacher took advantage of the fact that it was the 1st of April to do a treat his students to capture their attention. He made a digital copy of himself to appear reflect on the screen. I mean, he used technologies to do his class more meaningful, more attractive. In contrast to the previous video, the teacher uses multimedia to make the classes more attractive. In conclusion, the ICT are a tool that makes the classes more interactive. And here we have some suggestion to make a better use of information communication in education. Using technology to empower us teachers. We can incorporate technologies into our classrooms to help solve everyday problems. Consider technology adoption as a part of lesson planning. We should not conceive the technology as something that will replace us, that will replace, because in fact the technologies help to do classes more interactive, more meaningful. Teachers should not be afraid of technology. We shouldn't feel fear for daring us technologies, getting out of the comfort zone, working with a platform. There are many platforms that facilitate our work with students. For example, Milaulas, Google Classroom, etc. Working as a group involving the whole institution and take trainings that help to develop ICT skills. It's important the capacitation. And never stop, always keep researching. We must never lose the curiosity. And thank you, bye bye. I hope to see you soon.